Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mangesh JADHAV. I hope your weekend went good. And before getting into the weekly analysis video, I would want to make a request, guys, that please take the booster dose as soon as possible. Also, make sure that the elders in your family take the booster dose as soon as possible. All right. So, with that, we will quickly revisit last week's market movement. Okay. So, here here after making a shooting star candle over here, the market kind of gave a good one side movement, downward movement. uh, First reason was that the Fed, okay, the US Fed had told that they will be increasing the interest rates uh, in the coming meetings as well. Okay, and the other thing was we were trading at all-time high levels. Okay, that was the second reason, and the third reason was the China COVID cases reason. Okay, so as China is the second biggest economy and the whole supply chain of the world is dependent on China, so even in the Friday's video, I had told you that it will have repercussions on the world trading, okay, world market as well. So that is why we are seeing the downfall in the market. All right, we are seeing a correction in the market. Now, okay, on Friday, guys, I had clearly marked the key levels, okay, on the Friday analysis video, and you people can go and just once check the key levels which I had discussed. The market beautifully behaved in that way. Now let's go to the daily time frame, guys. Okay, so this is daily time frame. All right, so I'll just quickly mark the key levels. All right, so here is the closing level. I have marked the high level, closing, and the low level, okay, of Friday's trading session. All right, so don't be confused with these levels. I'll just shortly discuss. All right, so I clearly told you that after giving a gap down opening, just wait for Bank Nifty to retrace back to this previous day's low level. All right, so as soon as Bank Nifty reached the previous day's low level, it took a rejection from that level and it gave a one-way rally, again a one-way rally of almost 500 to 600 point one-way rally. All right, so that was the thing, and I had marked the key level as well of 41,000, closer to 41,600, 650, because you can see here this was the previous okay, previous support level. From here Bank Nifty took a support. All right, you can see some kind of congestion as well here. All right, so that was the reason I had marked the key level. Okay, key level over here. Now what to do on Monday, how we can trade on Monday. So we will just discuss various scenarios. Okay, so one thing is looking at the global market, looking at the global COVID cases scenario. So what if we continue to open a gap down, okay, open in a gap down way. So if Bank Nifty, guys, open somewhere close to 41,500, then I'm not going to short. All right, you can see clearly here at 41,500 level there is a quite a good support. All right, so we are almost closer to a very good support here. So don't short. Okay, wait, if Bank Nifty forms a price action over here, it consolidates in this zone. Okay, so from 41,600 to 41,500, and then if a 15-minute candle closes below 41,500, then plan for a 100 to 200 point rally. All right, but keep a tight stop loss. Okay, as soon as Bank Nifty again, if it closes above 41,500, then just cut your position. All right, so that is the thing. Okay, for Friday. And if Bank Nifty gives a gap down opening, wait until Bank Nifty closes above 41,660 level. All right, if Bank Nifty gives a 15-minute close above 41,660, then we can plan a 100 to 150 point target. Okay, on the upside. So that is for gap up and gap down. Now what if Bank Nifty, guys, plan the same thing. If Bank Nifty gives a flat opening, let Bank Nifty close above 41,660 level. Let a 15-minute candle close above that level, and also let a 15-minute candle close below 41,500 level. So I am kind of seeing a muted very small range tomorrow. All right, so if market gives a very big gap down opening, okay, 200 to 300 point, let it stabilize. Okay, let it stabilize, let it form a price action, let it form a range, and if that particular range breaks out, then we will trade in that zone. Okay, after that level breaks, okay, either it is on upside or downside. All right, so that is the thing, that is how we should plan tomorrow. And you can see here already Bank Nifty has fallen quite a bit, and it is closer to this congestion zone, previous congestion zone. Okay, and one thing, guys, I am expecting, for Bank Nifty to be volatile between 41,500 to 40,800 level. Okay, this 500 to 700 point level is a congestion zone, previous consolidation zone. So even this time it can be a consolidation zone. All right, so Bank Nifty, for at least 2 to 3 days we have to be trading cautiously and aim for somewhat smaller targets. All right, and once a daily candle, okay, once a daily candle and the coming week candle, okay, weekly candle closes below 40,800, then again we can plan for a directional movement, okay, downward movement up to at least 40,000 levels. All right, so we can again further plan for that 800 to 900 point move on the downside, but there should be good consolidation here, good price action forming over here, then we will plan accordingly. All right, so now let's go to Nifty. So Nifty already it is bearish, okay, from past 3 weeks. Okay, uh, you can see there was a shooting star candle over here, there was a dark cloud cover candle over here, then a shooting star candle over here, and then a big fall. Now you can see in the weekly candle as well, Nifty is kind of closer to this support level. Okay, support level, and 17,800 is quite a good support. Now what if Nifty also gives a gap down opening? So if it gives a gap down opening, wait for 17,730 level. Okay, if it closes below, if a 15-minute candle closes below, plan for a 40 to 50 point target. Okay, and if it continues, then plan for 17,660 670 levels. Okay, so this should be the target. And Nifty as well, Nifty also, guys, so Nifty can be quite volatile between 17,500 to 17,800. So note it down. So Nifty can be volatile between this zone. So please plan for shorter targets. Okay, 50 to 60 point targets in Nifty. All right, so now let's go to daily chart. Okay, so I have marked this daily chart over here. Okay, the key levels of daily chart. Now if Nifty gives a gap down opening, then wait for Nifty to close below 17,750, then you can plan for, okay, 50 to 60 points movement on the downward side. And if Nifty continues to fall below, low, then we can plan up to 17,660. All right. So note down these key levels. All right. It will give confidence to you. Okay. So now what if Nifty gives a gap up opening? Okay. Gap up opening. Then in that case, guys, better to wait for Nifty to close above 17,850. Okay, if a 15-minute candle closes above 18,000, sorry, 17,850, then we can plan for a 50-point movement till 17,900. Okay, so plan for shorter targets tomorrow. Okay, and if Nifty consolidates and then if it gives a closing below 17,500 after 2 to 3 days, after a 2 to 3 days consolidation, then we can plan for a directional movement. All right, so keep that in mind, and we are closer to this support level. Okay, so I have discussed the key level, how to take a short trade. Okay, so plan accordingly, and keep that in mind that markets will behave according to previous supports and resistance level, not according to the news. Okay, and we don't know how much the news has been discounted. Okay, so if the bearishness continues, okay, if the negative news continues, then market will consolidate over here, and then it will finally show us the direction. Okay, so wait for 2 to 3 days, let market decide, uh, and then we can plan accordingly. All right, so these are the key levels. Okay, so 17,660 is a good support, then 17,550 to 17,500 is also good support, so for tomorrow at least. So please keep these levels in mind and trade accordingly. Okay, so and also remember guys, we don't have to take positions according to the news. Okay, we have to take positions according to the market. Okay, according to the chart, keep that in mind. Okay, so that's it guys. We will again see tomorrow's price action, and then we will discuss further for this coming week. All right, how the market will behave through the week. Okay, so thank you guys. Please take your positions with proper money management, proper risk management, and with proper position size. And please do remember that take your stop loss according to your pocket size. Okay, the loss, okay, the stop loss should be such that it will not affect you psychologically. Okay, and please guys, it is my humble request, please share the videos with your friends, with your family members, with your friends who are trading. All right, and please do like the video. Please do let me know your feedback in the form of comments. Also please let me know if you want me to make video on any particular strategy, on any indicator. Okay, so I know quite a few strategies based on indicators as well, so please do let me know. All right, thank you guys.